Of all the tools and equipment we use at work, our body is the most important. Like any tool, the better care you take of your body, the better it will continue to work. Loosening your muscles before and during work activity has many benefits. Warm-ups and stretching reduce the possibility of soft tissue injury from exertion, such as lifting and using hand tools. And warm-ups enhance flexibility needed for walking and mounting or dismounting equipment safely.
Stretching is important because it increases flexibility. Flexibility is actually the body's ability to move a joint through its 4-range of motion. It also helps reduce soreness and improve blood supply to the muscles. And it has to be done properly and on a consistent basis.
In short, warm-ups and stretching reduce the risk and severity of injury. By taking the time to warm up and stretch before doing a work activity or during prolonged periods of work, you are protecting your body, your job, and your way of life. Unfortunately, a review of recent incidents in the mechanical department shows a need to refocus on our stretching exercises. This is why effective immediately, beginning of shift warm-ups are a required part of our daily routine. All mechanical employees, unless physically unable to, are now required to participate in warm-ups and stretching at the beginning of the shift and as needed throughout the day. The warm-up routine must follow the stretches described on the recently released CSXT Health and Wellness poster. For some of you, warm-ups and stretching are already a regular part of your pre-shift safety meeting. Now, we all must take the time to join in and follow these routines. But don't limit yourself just to pre-shift stretching. If you've held the same position or repeated the same motion for more than 20 or 30 minutes, take a break and do some posture relief exercises.
It's important for us to stretch on a regular basis because most of us have positions or jobs that require us to maintain a static posture for a prolonged period of time, whether that be sitting, kneeling, or bending. Your muscles tend to shorten when you maintain that static posture, so it's very important to lengthen that muscle. The key to our warm-up stretching program is making sure your muscles are warm and flexible. Our recommendations follow the ACSM guidelines for stretching, which includes a FIT principle: frequency, intensity, time, and type.
When stretching, don't bounce. Go into a stretch slowly and hold it. Stretch to the point of feeling a gentle pull, but never to the point of pain. Hold each stretch for 10 to 30 seconds, and repeat each stretch at least twice. Finally, be sure to stretch all the major muscle groups and put extra focus on any areas you have trouble with. Following is a short demonstration of the 9 mandatory warm-ups and stretches we must now all perform at the beginning of our workday shift. Neck stretch. Begin with your head forward and neutral. Slowly roll your head to the right, then roll it back to the center, and roll it left. Repeat the motion at least once more. Chest and shoulder stretch. Face forward in the neutral position. Slowly bring your hands behind your ears. Then slowly extend your elbows back. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, relax, and repeat. Shoulder stretch. Stand erect facing forward. Bring one arm up across the body so that it is parallel to the ground. Place your opposite hand just behind the elbow of the extended arm and pull slowly towards the chest. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and repeat with the other arm. Forearm stretch. Standing upright, look straight ahead. Interlock your fingers and extend both arms forward, palms out. Keep your arms parallel to the ground. Your shoulders should roll forward slightly, but your back must stay straight. Remember to breathe normally during all of these stretches. Lower body stretch. With your knees slightly bent, slowly reach your right arm across to the left toe. Hold the stretch and, with your knees bent, slowly return to a standing position. If you suffer from lower back problems, it may be best to avoid this stretch unless it's recommended by a doctor. Side stretch. With feet shoulder width apart, slowly lean to one side. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, return to the neutral position, and slowly lean to the opposite side. Side lunge stretch. Place your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. With your torso upright and feet flat on the floor, bend one knee as you lunge carefully to the side. Do not extend the front knee past the toe. Your hips should extend back slightly, like a sitting motion. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and slowly return to the neutral position. Calf stretch. With both hands on your hips, carefully step one foot forward. Slowly bend the front knee forward and keep both feet flat on the ground. Your front knee should never extend farther than the front toe. Note that it is always the back calf that is being stretched. Hamstring stretch. Carefully place one leg forward. Now, lean forward and place both hands on the front thigh, not the knee. Bend the back knee slightly. Your hips should extend back. Notice the stretches felt in the front leg. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, then carefully step forward to return to the neutral position. Regardless of anyone's state of fitness, age, or size, stretching is a very important part of work activity. Take control of your safety by taking control of your wellness.